Hello everyone! Today we are going to install an electrical socket. First and the most important, so keep it in mind, before you start you have to switch off the power of your network. So, what do we have here? A socket and a 3-wire cable, live, neutral and earth wires. Usually the neutral wire is blue, earth is yellow or sometimes white, and the brown wire is live. Let's check it with voltage tester. And don't forget to switch off the power. First, cut the wire and leave some 3 or 4 inches just to make sure it's convenient to work with. Next, strip the wire, take off less than half an inch. What concerns the wire position, the live wire may be on the left or on the right. It makes no difference for household equipment. But traditionally it's live wire on the right, neutral on the left and earth in the middle, of course. After that, place the cable carefully in the socket box. Now you may install the socket. Make sure it's leveled. You may use a leveling bubble for that. Almost done. It's time to fasten the socket panel and the frame. Finally, you may switch on the power. Plug something in to make sure the socket works. And it does. Thanks for watching. We will be happy if you leave your feedback. Watch more videos from ToolBoom you see on the screen. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You may also find us on Facebook. Good luck!